The Fashion and Design program consists of 2 semester classes. The first is Fashion and Clothing. The purpose of Fashion and Clothing is to introduce students to the fashion and design industry.
A lot of them take that class just because they want to learn, the basics of sewing. So I get some really creative kids in there, and it's fun just to kind of give them an idea and then see what they do to go with it.
You will have an opportunity to use the latest in sewing technology, learn to create fun and useful projects, and learn how historical events affected the fashion industry.
They do a little drawstring backpack, and they learn how to put in those grommets and a zipper, and then you see them, around the halls with their little books stuck in their little backpack, and that's kind of fun to see that they're actually making something useful.
We do a little intro project called the Me Pillow, and the students like that because they get to kind of be creative and do something that represents them in some way. And then they do just some little simple bags and things, learning as we learn the parts of the machine. And then we go into their final project, which is usually either a skirt or a pair of, simple pajama pants or something like that. So it's a fairly simple project.
After completing Fashion and Clothing class, you can take Fashion and Design Management, which will increase your knowledge and further your skills in fashion design.
Fashion and design goes more into the design part of it. The kids will do more sketching and original designs. They also do some sewing in there, but a little bit more of the designing part. And we go more into fashion and fashion merchandising, that kind of thing in that class.
You will learn about famous fashion designers and how to create fashion illustrations. You will also learn how fabrics are made and how to choose fabrics for specific designs.